India in order to bring back Buddhist holy books to China.
To the top, it's still within my grasp. Improve your skills, then find me again.
Yeah, thank you so much. Ang ating candidate number 5, Mr. Ken Cangas from Valenzuela. Wow, yung character talaga. Parang natatakot ako. Wait lang. Sarap. Okay. Kamusta naman, kuya?
Okay naman.
Feel good?
Opo.
Oh, nice. Ilan taon na si Kuya Ken?
15 years old.
Oh! Napakabata, 15 years old. Oh. Ayan, so from Valenzuela, ilang years ka na kuya nagko-cosplay?
7 years po.
7 years. Of the age of?
8 years old po.
Oh, nice one. Ang galing. Palakpakan naman natin, no? 8 years old pa lang. Nagko-cosplaying na. So now, can we hear some comments from our judges?
Judge Teng.
Yes, Mr. Teng, Mabini.
Ayun, so thank you. Alam mo, pinapanood ko yung bawat nagpe-perform, binibidyohan ko din, pinapanood ko ulit for the second time bago ako magbigay ng score. Yun na napansin ko lang, hindi itong part ng balbat mo natatakpan. So yung buka ng bibig, hindi ko na makita kung paano ka, the way mag-dub nung backup, sa voice mo, backup voice mo. And then the performance, ang galing. Yung character, kasi napanood ko rin yung dati eh. Na talagang ang galing ng character, bit-bit pa rin hanggang dulo. Bago may pagsimula pa lang hanggang matapos yung performance mo, then okay. Ayun lang, thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Teng, Mabini, and sige, makakapahinga ka muna saglit. Nice one. Dahan-dahan ka lang ha. Yan, parang may